Yes, hello. I welcome you to my today's wonderful lesson. This is mathematics under what we call solving the value. This question was given in 2025 to those who were writing in 10. So with this question is provided every year by math in paper 2. Okay, so with the question which ones apply 2025, we are saying solve the equation 3x to the power 2 minus 11x minus 1 is equals to 0. Giving the answers correct to two decimals. According to this question, it was provided 5 marks in an exam. So on how to get the 5 marks, you really need to know step by step. So how do you solve the 5 marks? Okay, so the very first thing you are going to denote it is the very equation as 3x to the power 2 minus 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Remember, this is given respect by respecting ax squared plus bx plus c. So, according to this, a is the one that has the constant which is being squared. So, according to this, the variable is being squared, then it's added to the constant. So, according to this, we are going to have our A from there it is this one, which is 3. Then our B from there it is negative 11. Then our C it is negative 1. I guess you can see that. Then now, what are we going to do? We are going to write the formula. What is our formula? Our formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4a c over 2a. Okay, so these are words as the formula. Please, once you happen to forget this formula, you just need to go on the first page of your past paper. Okay, so according to this now, there is our b which is negative, there is this b which is squared. So I want you guys to understand that this equation must be written in full. Okay, so with this one, we are going just to substitute. Where there is b, we are going to write b. So this is the negative part. The negative, then there is another negative that is upon b. So our b it is negative 11. Then with the formula it is negative b. So we are going to write the brackets, then negative 11. You can see that. Why? Because b it is negative, then this negative is from the formula. Then now we are going to have plus or minus. Then the square root from there. What is our b? Our b it is negative 11. Please do not forget to add the brackets. Okay, we are going to have negative 11 into the brackets, then minus. What is our c? What is our A from there? Our A from here is positive 3. We are going to write 3. Then our C, it is negative 1. Right? Then divide by 5. Then we are going to have 2. What is our A? Our A it is positive 3. Okay, so what you just have to substitute, what you're going to have is something that is very simple, right? Okay, very good. So according to this, we are going to have negative times negative. The answer is positive. So we're going to have positive 11, then plus or minus. We are going to say the square root from there. Once you square root the negative 11 into the brackets, the answer you are going to have is 121. Then minus, from there we are going to multiply. We multiply 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times negative 1. It is negative 12. I guess you can see that. Then you divide. 3 times 2. The answer is 6. Then now according to this one, we are going to have 11 plus or minus, then the square root. What is negative times negative? It's positive 12, then 6. Okay. So according to this one, we are now going to punch using a calculator. So it is very much important to write 11 plus or minus the square root. We are going to add 12 plus 21. 12 plus 21. From there, we are going to have a 12 plus 21, 121 plus 12. Okay, we are going to have 133. 133 divided by 6. But now, let's keep on punching. Since here we do have plus or minus, I will advise for you to split the two as you are punching. We are going to say the value of x is positive 11 plus or minus, plus the square root of 133 divided by 6, or x is equals to 11 minus the square root of 133, then over 6. You can see the way I have it split. We have to get the positive impact of an equation and also the negative impact of an equation. Now we are going to kindly use our calculator by saying 11 plus you use the square root, you use the square root 11 plus the square root of 133, then is equals to divided by 6. The answer we are going to have, it is x is equals to 3.75542799, or x is equals to, we are going to substitute a negative sign. So we are going to say 11 minus the square root of 133, then is equals to, then divided by negative 6. Okay, so the answer here that we have, it is negative 0.088. From there, 760,432. Right? Very good. So we are going to say x is equals to, after the point, you are going to have two decimals. So we are going to have 3 points, these two, which is 75. Now, as you are to write 75, the next consecutive number, it is 5. When it is 5 or above 5, we get that number, we add that number plus 1. So, with this one, we are supposed to write 75. Now, because the next consecutive number, it is a 5. So, we are going to change to be 6. We're going to have 7, 6. From there, then O, x is equals to negative 0.0. The next consecutive number after 8, you have 8, 8. So it is appearing to be 8. It's greater than 5. So meaning we are going to get the number being added to 8, where we are going to have 9 from there. That is the way on how we get to answer this kind of equation. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. Aaron. Bye.